Building upon the previous slide, obviously the technical model aims to teach a subject perfect technique. However, perfect technique can vary dependent on where you get your data/sources from. The most reliable area to gain information would be from national bodies of the given sport. For example, within basketball, this could be the NBA, who often release coaching manuals outlining technical techniques of the sport. And the other main source for technical methods would be directly from elite players, such as Steph and Curry within the NBA. The main reason these two sources may contradict each other is because national bodies will most likely present the standardized, normalized jump shot, whereas elite players may have adapted their shot to better suit them personally, which may differ to the industry standard. For example, Lonzo Ball, infamous for his unorthodox shooting method, where he starts from the left hip and travels up towards the left side of his forehead with his right arm stretched across the torso at some angle than the ball is swung towards the rim. Despite this contradicting the industry standard, this method seems to be extremely effective for Lonzo Ball, showing that the industry standard may not always be the most effective model for everybody.